Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So this wig is Nadula's 22-inch ombre straight wig. So obviously it's ombre because the streaks in the front. These are low-key to die for because when you look at it like this, it looks like the streaks are like all over at the bottom of the wig, but really it's just at the front. So catch the finesse if you like a streaked wig and you don't want to pay the stylist to color this wig. The link will be in the description box. It is actually a very cute wig, and I'll tell you more about that in the review video, which I definitely think you guys should check out after watching this one, just to see, you know, what I actually think about this hair. But so far so good. It is cute, and if you'd like to see how I pretty much install the wig, it is 100% glueless, no cap underneath, no cap. Just keep on watching. And when I check this price with 180 density for the wig, it is $163, not to mention the discount codes that you guys will be getting in the description box, which you should definitely check out. It will be way cheaper, so I do implore you guys to check out the wig on the link, because it is a gorgeous wig and you're getting good quality for your money. So the link will be in the description box, and without further ado, let's see the box that the wig comes in, of course. And this is the wig. So this is my first time ordering like a pre-bleach situation going on. You know, you get the band, the scarf, thank God. It gives you like all the details. So it's a 22-inch Brazilian hair wig. So let's just take it out of the bedroom. This is it. It's a straight wig. It's actually really thick, and also the knots low-key look bleached already, so you may not need to bleach it. And I know for sure, oh yeah, it comes pre-parted as well, so the middle part fling in for you. And you know, clips and bands, and Nadula never robs you of your parting space on the side, so if you want to do a deep swoop, you can. Yeah, this literally can just rest on your head top, drop a couple curls in it, and it's actually really thick. The hair feels different, and different in a good way. So let's jump into the video. I'll be back with the wig on my head, ready to curl and speak about, you know, what I think about this wig. Okay loves, so this is the wig. I will be showing you how I cut my lace, pretty much prep to put the wig on. And this time, as you can see from the title, I will not be doing baby hairs. You know what, it's literally January 1st right now, so it is 2020, the first day of, and you know, I'm thinking of going on a no baby hair streak. We'll see how long that lasts for, but yeah, this is pretty much how your wig should look once it's plucked, you know, nice and plucked. Of course, we're gonna get into cutting the lace, and I feel like, for me, this is better done off my head. So we're gonna create a jagged line, nothing too straight. So we're literally going to go in and cut like that instead of trying to do something straight, and just let our hands be our guides. I usually do this on my head, but I find that when doing it on hair, it's way easier to see what exactly I'm doing instead of doing it on camera, because that's not something that I enjoy doing on camera pretty much. So this is the wig, and now it's time to tint. So 1 pump of foundation is good enough. You can spread it all over your hand like so, or you can actually use the brush. What I'll do is pretty much just warm up the foundation by patting it, and I'm going to use that side of the brush to pretty much just tint. And with tinting, all you have to do is get the lace and rub the brush against it. so you can clearly tell what's tinted versus what's not tinted. So I'm back, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is spray hairspray all over, because I actually want my wig to lay super flat, and that's just my trick. That's definitely how I get my wig super flat, when I spray hairspray and actually go in and get my hot comb nice and, you know, deep in the roots of the wig. Because the front is blonde, I am going to use this. It got poked by the hot comb, and like once I go like that, you see some want to drop out from there. But literally just 2 pumps of my Reza. I'm gonna go on top to give myself that shiny look, and run the Reza on, or Reza on the blonde patches, because I most definitely want them to get a good flat iron in once I do it. And yeah, so now it's time to flat iron. I'm definitely going to go in the front like really good, just to make sure that I'm doing what I need to. I'm holding the iron in the wrong hand. I cannot use my right hand to do anything. I'm gonna tuck that there just so it doesn't really bother me, and I'm gonna just get into flat ironing. So this wig is actually nice. I didn't expect it to look like this. From what I saw from the picture, the blonde patches were going to not be an actual blonde, but a browner tone instead. But honestly, this is fine. Like, this is cute. I thought it was going to be like more orange, but blonde, we work with it. It's nice. So this hair actually straightens really good, by the way, because we're going from this pretty much to this. Can't beat that. And I like how they actually went in, and it looks like a color job that was done by someone. It doesn't look like factory made or anything. And this wig did come like this, by the way, for anyone who wanted to get those blonde streaks but didn't want the stylist to do it, or the stylist doesn't offer it, then, you know, hit Nadula up, because they could do it for you, honey. And just going in and flat ironing, this hair feels 100% silky. And I remember in the beginning of the video telling you guys how the hair was thick when I was unboxing it and showing it to you guys. It's really nice. It's really nice and thick, and I like it because when you have the blonde patch in the front, it does give you a bit of a streak vibe, and I like that. Even though it's not like throughout the wig, it definitely looks nice and looks like it is throughout the wig. In the front, of course, I definitely would go in and actually do a nice little color job, and do little blonde streaks here and there around the wig, just so we could have, you know, everything coming together looking like one. I think that would be a really cool and cute idea, and when revamping this wig to rewear it, that is definitely something I would consider doing, because, you know, not everybody wants to do that blonde streak look. Not everyone knows how to do it, but I feel like once we have like this already going on in the front, our jobs will definitely be a tad bit easier. Don't you agree? But yeah, this is nice, and a tuck behind the ear would be nice too. But yeah, this is the wig for you from Nadula. If you like it, because I definitely do. You should definitely go ahead and check out the description box, because the links to this wig will be in the description box for all my lovely girls out there who would like to purchase this unit. It is actually very affordable. Like, I would recommend it if you're going for streaks, just so you can have like a starter for the streaks instead of doing everything by yourself. Or you can wear it just like I am. It's cute like this for sure. Yeah, so definitely check it out. The links will be in the description box, and Nadula's website, where you can purchase so many other wigs. I'm definitely gonna pull this back a little bit, give myself a bit more forehead action. Yeah, I ate this. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching, and I will be leaving you. So thank you so much, Nadula, for sending this gorgeous wig. It is bomb, like all your other units, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.